Hi guys, I am scared out of my wits right now because there's a tornado warning. The tornado sirens were going for like 4 minutes and then they stopped, and I am scared, and people are eating my chicken wings. I have one left. I don't know what to do right now. I don't have anyone to give a shout out to because I haven't checked my comment, and my phone's been down here. I'm at my grandma's house, and there was tornado sirens in, and Grandma called and said that we need to come down here because my cousin's house is right up the hill, and we came down, and now I'm just pacing around because I'm scared. But if you guys look out the window, kind of see lightning.
There's the moon. That's awesome. Yeah, the sky is as black as night over there.
That's black as a night.
And then I talked to.
It's so metal.
It's cool. Then I talked to her.
Oh my gosh, that was a big lightning. It's really scary.
Look at my fashion.
And I'm wearing her clothes. I'm a girly girl and I'm wearing boys' clothes. My cousin's a girl, but she's a tomboy. I have one chicken wing left, and that was my dinner. The tornado siren started as soon as I got my plate of chicken wings. Then we came down here, and everybody ate my chicken wings.
That wasn't me. That was Eli.
Eli!
What?
That was my dinner! I was trying to eat that when the tornado sirens went off.
Oh.
Oh my god.
She told you to eat it.
She told me to.
I said you could have one!
She did tell you could have one.
Oh my gosh. So now I don't get dinner. Of course. You know, you're supposed to prepare whenever you hear a tornado siren, and Eli is unpreparing me because he literally ate every single one except for one. That's it. That's all I have. Sorry that the lighting in this video is only like a little bit, because in there the light's off and here the light's on. We did not bother to turn that one on, but I am scared.
Lucy.
Oh my gosh. We went hiking today, and
Why are you tasting around so much? It's just a storm.
well, I might as well show you guys my slime. Hopefully.
For making it.
Yeah, my cousin Jordan made it. And, yeah, no, let's hope this isn't my last video ever.
Technically, you couldn't say that on that video because you won't be able to post it if you're dead.
Yes, but I would be posting it as I died. Do you hear that thunder? There was a.
How many seconds there are for lightning to come back? And
that was like 2 seconds. The storm is here, basically.
Did you not see how far away the thunder is?
Okay, so, well, this kitchen table is a mess. There's my one chicken wing that I have left.
Oh, I just roasted you.
What?
You said this kitchen table's a mess. I said like a lot. Oh, roasted.
You were eat that chicken. Jeez, you just yelled at Eli like he ate all of your chicken, which I did see him with a pretty big piece, but.
That was like 90% of my chicken.
People, is this stuff that you need? It's Daniel's earplugs. Oh.
That's a bunch of
Well,
packs.
I'm going through my books. I laid on the bed and watched the not storm for a long time, and then I'm getting rid of crap. What books?
Like
All my
reading
books.
books?
Wish I had made more cookies.
Okay, now I'm gonna get some milk. Excuse me. Oh, okay. Okay. I swear, if Jordan starts listening to music or something without headphones, I'm gonna kill her.
You're gonna kill her.
Not
Yes.
the wrong one, but one of them. Check that.
Angela's Ashes. I do have that book. I do have Angela's Ashes.
Hey, do you have Angela's Ashes?
I think it's Ashley.
That was big lightning.
Oh my gosh, I want to find one of these. Inflated bladder wart?
In the summer, isn't it?
Oh my gosh.
It floats.
Did you bring it back up too?
What?
Oh yeah. They smell like fart.
You do. It's delicious.
She only eats the
Oh,
white.
did you find the hairy goldenrod?
You eat some of the yolk?
It is making my mouth.
Oh, I did.
Okay, well, let's just sit down.
Is there a...
It makes my mouth like a weird taste, so I don't have to even do that.
It's getting bad out there.
Get out of my seat. You're sitting on my phone.
Oh, sorry. It's sitting on Jordan's phone. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Genius.
It's 6 minutes. This camera can't even hold. No.
Sam.
Bye, guys.